Kiara Verde from Group 3, and we are going to perform Experiment 10 Field Density Test by Sand Coat Replacement Method. We are going to do this experiment in reference to ASTM D1556.
Hi, I'm Az-Hareen and Sumandar. The equipments will be used is sand cone apparatus, a volumeter, a density cylinder, a scale, a balance, a skillet or spoon or spatula, and lastly, the calibrated sand or clean dry sand.
These are the experiment objectives. Firstly, this test method may be used to determine the in-place density and unit weight of soils using a sand cone apparatus. This test method is applicable for soils without appreciable amounts of rock or coarse materials in excess of 11/2 inches or 38 millimeters in diameter.
First off, we're going to sieve for sand.
For the first step, we will be measuring the weight of the empty apparatuses. First is the plastic sand cone container.
Now let's measure our container with full sand. Now let's calibrate our sand cone apparatus. Now let's measure the remaining sand to determine the volume of the sand cone.
Now we are going to dig 15 centimeters deep in this area. We will also collect soils from the area that we dig up.
Now that we have collected the samples, now we're going to measure it.
Now we will place the samples in the oven.
We're going to check the results 24 hours from now.
Now let's fill the hole with sand.
After 24 hours, we will get the soil sample and we will measure its weight. Now we're going to measure the soil sample.
that concludes our experiment.